Hey guys, hey Lamis, welcome to my channel. I'm Karbglam and today's video is so exciting. I'm so excited as well because you know I love Christmas and this is Pink Christmas edition. So today is my first time decorating my beauty room slash vanity room slash girly room, whatever you want to call it, but it's my first time. So I'm gonna try to make something simple and waiting to see some items to arrive to my house, and others I just have to go and get it because I have been doing like shopping here and shopping there and I have found not that much, but I'm gonna work with stuff that I already got. So I hope you enjoy this video guys, and if it's like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and continue watching. So guys, before we start decorating, I need an extra boost of energy, so I'm gonna make my smoothie. But first I want to say thank you so much to Teami Blend for letting me try this new product, and this is the Beauty Butterfly Collagen, and I'm gonna show you the color and how amazing is this collagen. It's an inner beauty elixir to support hair, skin, and nails, formulated with sustainable wild couch-matic collagen, and then blend together with beauty boosting superfoods, butterfly pea flower, and acai berry to achieve the perfect blend. So I like to mix it with those green vegetables smoothie. So I'm obsessed with this packaging because they got those little pouches, and I just need the half of those to make my smoothie. Some almond milk, the collagen, and some flaxseeds, and voila, you can use yogurt if you want. My favorite about this collagen is that they made without any kind of artificial colors, GMO, gluten, dairy, antibiotic, mercury, any heavy metals at all. They 100% vegan, and this product guys is amazing, and it's time to start caring ourselves, and the beauty begins from within. If you don't want to make smoothies, you can try it on tea, on water, on juices, on coffee, whatever you want, on baking. But my advice is use on smoothies because they can have like some fishy flavor, since it got wild couch marine collagen. So you don't got like the fishy flavor, the best thing is the smoothie. This is what worked for me, and this product is amazing. If you're interested, I'm gonna share the link down below. You can use my code Karbglam, and let's be careful at the time to put in because it can be a little messy, but this is the consistency I really love. So I was telling you, like, my link is down below. You can use my code Karbglam for 25% off. And now I'm ready to start decorating. So chicas, para más información en español, les comparto el link abajo. Usen mi código Karbglam25 para ahorrarse algo, y lo que más me gusta de este colágeno es que tiene un precio excelente y lo usan las celebridades. Es muy económico. Ahora sí, a decorar. Ahora sí empecemos a decorar, y es la primera vez que voy a armar un arbolito por mí sola. Este lo encontré en Big Lots y abajo le comparto si lo quieren comprar. Era el último que quedaba, así que lo pueden comprar en internet. I found in Big Lots, so I thought it was the last one, so I'm gonna share the link so you can buy on internet. So it's my first time doing my tree by myself, but just gonna try guys, just gonna try. And voila, este árbol está listo. Vamos a probar con luz y vamos a probar sin luz, a ver qué tal. So this tree is ready. Let's gonna try with lights. Without light, how it looks better, so I can start decorating with some pieces that I just got here. Mostly of those pieces they come guys from Big Lots, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, some from Walmart. This is from the last year, and those pompons came from Michael, and I got a lot of the rose gold balls and some items that I like. I like the Big Lots ones. Those literally I buy this year again because those pairs are so glam. Me encanta todo lo que sea glamuroso y me gusta ir a Bigloss, ellos siempre tienen, aunque el empaque es muy pequeño, pero excelente. Así que vamos a empezar. Let's gonna start decorating. So those little things came from Michael, so perfect. So esto lo pueden encontrar en Michael. La corona creo que es de Walmart. So it's Merry Christmas because I like to celebrate pink Merry Christmas or pink Christmas instead of Pinkmas because the reason for the season is Jesus. How is Jesus is the reason for the season. Yes. So I found those goodies yesterday, literally. So I'll be sharing with y'all. Those Starbucks people was crazy and eating it, so I need to get mine. La gente estaba loca consiguiendo estos y compartiendo estas fotos que yo dije necesito el mío. Y estos demás adornos los conseguí en Walmart. Estas alitas como las de Victoria's Secret y esto lo conseguí en la tienda del dólar y yo siempre decoro con renos, es mi favorito. This candle I don't know where I found it. It's from the last year. Literally I don't remember. I'm trying to remember but I just don't know. So this came from Walmart. Immediately I saw I was in love with it. So I'm gonna put all the stuff on the tree and then I'm gonna start decluttering all this area. Vamos a poner las cosas en el árbol y empiezo a vaciar este lugar. Aquí poniendo mis alas de Victoria's Secret. No sé dónde poner la primera o la segunda. So here is Miss Glammy this year as well. She's gonna be sharing with you sometime. Aquí está Miss Glammy del año pasado acompañándonos en los videitos. Y este hermoso reno lo voy a poner aquí. I'm gonna put this here. Let me know what size you prefer, this or this, because I'm still thinking where I put it, if I flip it up or no. Déjenme saber en qué lado se ve mejor. Ay, cambié de opinión. Mejor lo pongo del otro lado. Y vamos a darle un poquito de cupcake para que coma. De pronto tiene hambrecita. And I was gonna put this cupcake. Maybe he's hungry and he needs to eat this cupcake, okay? Show you something, guys. Those are my favorite brushes ever. They Blinged brushes. And I love because they craft handmade, super glamorous, beautiful, and soft. So I'm gonna be sharing the link down below if you wanted to purchase. Remember, use my code Karbglam and save some money, guys. So this Friday the 20th, they're launching the new collection, which is so amazing. All details on my Instagram. Follow me there for more updates. So this brushes holder came for Charlotte Beauty Room, and definitely I need to share with y'all some ideas for Christmas presents. So I love this piece so much. I don't remember when I found it, maybe at Home Goods or something like this. I don't know, but it says My reindeers, my best friends ever. So on new updates, I found this yesterday at Michael's, and I found this pink deer, and I still waiting on my nutcracker from Target, and now it's gonna perfect this room and ready for the tour. So guys, that was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, you like as much as me. I love everything related with Christmas. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, share this video as much as possible, guys. See you the next time. Chicos, espero que les haya gustado este video, así como a mí me gusta tanto la Navidad. No olviden suscribirse. Bye.